Good evening, everybody. We are going to do a DIY project today. This is a candle from the Dollar Tree, and it's a battery candle. You can see right there, it does a little flicker. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to Mod Podge it now. And this is the Mod Podge with gloss lustre right here. I've had this for a very, very long time. Okay, and then you need a little paintbrush. And this napkin was a 2-ply napkin, and they're kind of hard to separate. You got to get the corners just right. I thought I had it going, oh, right here. I thought I had it going. And you want to separate the two pieces. And once you get it separated, it goes along pretty darn good. And what I'll do is I'll keep this piece because this is going to be a gift, and I'll use that on my gift wrapping. So what you want to do now is you want to put the candle down, and you want to see how much you got to cut off here. And you want to probably, let's see, cut till about right here. On the napkin, you want to overlay it just a little bit, just like that. And then what I'm doing is right here on the crease, I'm going to cut here, just like this. And what you want to do is you want to fit this napkin onto the candle. And you can put it now up here to see how much you want to roll it like this, just like that. And you still got some, oh, that's fine. So you want to cut this off. So you want to go up here and you want to make a cut line, just like that. See this cut line? Let me just make sure again. I'm gonna roll it right here. Got enough to overlay. Yeah. We want to cut this line down because you want that napkin to fit on nice. Okay. So do this again. We're going to make a cut line here, right here, and we're just going to roll it just like this. There you have it, right there. Just gonna cut off a little bit because it kind of got a little jagged. It'll all come together. It's like this. Okay, put that off to the side. I'm gonna put this here like this. You should be able to see me. So I'll do it on this side, just like that. Got a little bit more that could come off. And we'll trim a little bit more. If you had a mat and you could measure, that's wonderful, but I don't have a mat. But this can be done without one. And by the way, this is the first one that I've done. I just saw it and I thought it was the cutest thing. Okay, so there we go, just like that. Okay, now we got it so it looks pretty darn good. So we're gonna open the cover of the Mod Podge. That's what it looks like inside. Get some on a brush, just like this. And this stuff tears very easily, just so you know. And I will use my cover to put that on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start it like that. I'm just gonna put some Mod Podge on, so hold it, and then we'll do the outside. So it'll be easier to roll if we do it. And like I said, this is the first time I've made one, but I thought it was so darn cute. Okay, and we're just gonna roll. Just like this. We're gonna roll. Now we come up to where, and if you gotta add some more paper for some reason or the other, or didn't get measured correctly, that's not a problem. You can do that. I'll probably have to buy a small bottle. This looks like it's not applying as well as it could, but I have had this for years. Okay, just like this. Boy, time goes by fast. 6 minutes and something already. Okay. There we go, just like this. Looking good. Perfect. Very good. So you get the gist of that. And then I'll do a little bit of this and show you what I'm gonna do. Then I'll bring you back when it dries and we'll turn out the light and we'll look at it. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it like this, so it gets a good seal. Just like this. So I'll bring you back when it's all dried, but doesn't that look pretty? Okay, here we go. Okay folks, here's the candle all done, really up close, got a little texture here. It dried up very nice. Here's the flicker. So I'm shutting the light off now so you get to see what it looks like. Came out really nice, didn't it? Okay, here we go. Lights are going out. Does everybody know what that sound is? Dun, dun, dun. It's Wednesday. It's shout out. Shout out Wednesday. And the shout out goes to Take Control Beauty. Go on over to her channel. Her name's Barb. She's a wonderful lady. She does all sorts of things. She does beauty. She has a granddaughter on there. She does a little bit of this, that, and the other. So go on over. She's growing her channel. She just recently changed her channel name because it was very long and she shortened it up. So I think you'll like it over there. And the shout out again goes to Take Control Beauty. Every Wednesday I will feature someone new here on my channel, and it will be in the description box for a week. So if you ever want to know who's in the description box for the week, just check below. Okay folks, it's all dry. And there's the flickering right there. And see how pretty it looks like when it's dark? So please give me thumbs up if you like this. This is a DIY. I'll put everything in the description box below. And I got the candle at Dollar Tree, and the napkin, I'm not sure. Maybe the Christmas tree shop. I always have pretty napkins for when I have garden parties. So you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. See you tomorrow.